When I saw a wash and go style by Beverly Ade on TikTok, I hope I'm pronouncing her name right, I was inspired to recreate it on my own kinky curly wig with a bit of a spin to it. You'll see in the video. So just like her, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I decided to create a side part. So I'll be working in sections, small to medium sections. And I start off by adding a liberal amount of gel. I'm using the Styling Eco Gel. And then once I've worked that into the hair, raking it into the hair, I then follow up with mousse, which is what she did. Now, up until this point, everything that she did is what I'm going to be doing. She decided to leave it like that and just use a diffuser to dry the hair. What I'm going to do is that after each section, once I'm done with the gel and the mousse, I decided that, you know what, I want to create twists. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist each section and then leave it to air dry, and then I'm going to twist it out. So the twist out will create these super defined uniform curls that I wanted to achieve. And I will say that work in small to medium sections, don't work in jumbo sections, or otherwise the twist will unravel while you're drying it, and then you'll find that your curls are not as defined and as uniform as you want them to be. And another trick that I did is, you'll notice at the end, when I get to the end of the hair, I'm twisting the hair around my finger. So I'm twisting the hair and wrapping it around my finger so that the ends of the hair can curl into themselves so that they don't unravel during the drying process. So the rest of the hair is pretty much the same. Work in small to medium sections. I will reiterate, small to medium sections, or otherwise your curls will not be well defined. Add your gel, add your mousse, comb it out, twist it, and then at the end, curl that hair, the end of the hair, around your finger. Wrap it around your finger so that it curls into itself, and you do that for the entire wig. And then I let it air dry for 2 to 3 days. You can just do it overnight. It's just I was busy, but overnight is enough. Just make sure that the hair is bone dry. I mean bone dry. It needs to be bone dry, okay? Or otherwise your style will be ruined. Your curls will not be as well defined as you want them to be, as uniform as what I was going for. So you won't achieve the look. So let me install the hair. I made sure that my forehead was free of any oils using 90% rubbing alcohol, and I'm not going glueless. You can go glueless. I'm using this lace spray from the Sand Hair, and while I'm waiting for the lace to melt and the glue to dry down, I applied a bit of oil onto my hands and started untwisting the hair. So don't untwist the hair too much. Go in with your fingers a bit, as well as a wide tooth comb. So you just untwist it maybe like 2 or 3 times. I'd say twice, so each section untwisted 2 times at most, so that you can achieve that well-defined uniform curl that we are going for with this style. Otherwise it will be poofed out. Nothing wrong with that, but that's just not the intention of the style. If you love Afro textured wigs, I know for sure you will enjoy this next video. It's a 4C Afro headband wig. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.